get stuck here, the cops won't bother me. Or cables from the fuel pump. We're going to hardwire this one directly to the battery. We have a wire here. We're just going to cut it a little bit short and everything, but this is going to go and keep this all grounded up. I'm going to put the ground, I'm going to ground it directly to the battery, but you could use the frame of the bike. That's it. So now this is going to go here and it'll start to pump once we connect it to the battery. We're starting to have our wires put in, and bypassing the relay, the positive from the fuel pump is going to go into the slot, in the middle slot of the relay, the fuel relay, and then this one, which is the negative, I'm going to connect it directly, probably just underneath all of this. So I'm going to go underneath the fuel petcock, and there we go. So before you guys say anything, this is just a temporary fix, just until I get that relay going. I'm going to look for some connectors, and if this works out and I don't get the connector, if this is a reliable system, I think I'll just cut the wires for the relay. And better. And I'm just going to put it in there. Another thing I'm going to be doing is, this is not a good system at all. I'm just going to put some electrical tape here. Well guys, she's all buttoned up. It is time to get her on the road, at least my road. I got the seat on there. I did not install the rear seat because I'll be doing some stuff to it. I'm going to be removing that rear blinker metal and just making it one seat in the back there. I think it'll look better. But let's go ahead and try this thing out. I am about to, that's right, try out the Shadow. You see I got the seat on there. It's a very cold day here in DC, so let's get this thing off the center stand. So I bled the brakes, or at least I got the brakes all, well yeah, it's a lot more quiet than when I brought it in. Oh man, it is a heavy bike. Could be that the tires are deflated. Let's put it in the kickstand and sit on this thing. Let's get these levers up. Alright, it's idling kind of high. Alright. Kickstand in. It's like I feel like I'm looking for my foot pegs over here. I'm not used to that they're like all the way up here. I have a new, look at that. It moves forward, that's good. Wow. This thing is so different to ride than the type of bikes I'm used to. Alright, okay, we're off. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see. Nobody's coming. Wow, okay. First ride on the Shadow. Man, this bike took me so long to fix up, and I don't have any mirrors too. I just realized that. It's kind of strangely comfortable. I have my knees really high up, and I think this is the normal position for it. Man, this is such a weird position, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Wow, it rides. I can't believe I got this thing to ride. Wow. This is kind of incredible that it works. Alright, front brakes. My front brake is actually kind of spongy. Oh man, I can't believe I got this. I think I have to look at my clutch cable. I think it's a little bit off. But man, that's it. That was the initial ride on the Shadow, guys. I can't believe this thing fires up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.